Okay, why don't we go ahead? So on behalf of us three coordinators, that's Anna Maria Ray, Josephine Suh, and myself, I'd like to welcome you to this conference. The idea was originally a brainstorm by KITP Director Lance Bilston. He thought of having exploration conferences to look at future fields that are becoming more important and demand more attention. The three of us were asked to coordinate this conference. And as we got into it, we found a lot of excitement in the field, especially among the experimenters. I'm very gratified at the number of experimenters who wanted to speak, who wanted to talk with their colleagues, wanted to talk with theorists to help work out the fundamental importance of these new experiments which are becoming possible. And so we have a big crowd on, and we have a lot of good speakers, and I'm very much looking forward to it. We do want to have a lot of time for discussion, so we've baked that into the schedule. With the size of the audience, I think we better have people raise hands to be recognized for questions. During talks, please only ask questions that are necessary immediately to clarify what the speaker is saying. We've carved out time at the end of every talk. Each talk is a half hour with 15 minutes of discussion. Then there's more time for discussion at the end of each of the 2 sessions per day. So try raising hands. We'll see how it goes, and we'll recognize you. So I don't want to keep us from the science any longer. The session chairs for the 3 days in reverse order will be Josephine on Wednesday, myself on Tuesday, and Anna Maria is chairing today. Please take it away.
Excellent. Oh, thank you. Good morning, everybody. I just want also to thank all the speakers and the participants today. It's a great pleasure. It's a very exciting conference that we are expecting this week. So yes, it's for each talk is 45 minutes, as Daud said, about 30 minutes for discussion and 15 minutes for questions. If you are desperate during the talk, please raise your hand, and I will look at and try to ask the questions that you have. Otherwise, please wait until the discussion starts.